Ever look up at a cloud and think, hey, why doesn't that just fall out of the sky? I mean, they're made of tons of water, right? The answer is pretty fascinating, actually. We see them as these fluffy, almost weightless things just floating by, but that's a total illusion. Get this, a single cloud can weigh 500,000 kilograms. That's like 100 elephants. The real secret isn't the cloud itself. It's all about the tiny microdroplets it's made of. See, clouds are made of billions of these super tiny water droplets. We're talking microscopic. And that tiny size completely changes how they move through the air. They're so light that air resistance has a huge effect, slowing their fall to almost nothing. You know, like dust floating at a sunbeam. It's falling, but so slowly it just hangs there. But that's not the whole story. There's another, much bigger force keeping them up there. It all comes down to a constant tug of war between gravity pulling down and updrafts pushing up. Okay, so gravity is pulling on every single tiny droplet, but its pull is really, really weak. And that weak pull is no match for warm air currents rising from the ground. These are the updrafts. Think of these air currents like an elevator, constantly pushing those little droplets right back up. So you get this amazing balancing act. Droplets fall a tiny bit, then get pushed right back up. This means a cloud isn't some static thing. It's actually a super dynamic system, always in motion. So what happens when this balance gets tipped? Well, the droplets start bumping into each other. Eventually, they get too heavy for the updrafts to hold, and that is when it rains. So, is a cloud really an object, or is it more of a process? Something to think about.